Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, before starting the video I would like to ask you to subscribe. So in this video we are gonna learn how to make this DIY fringes or the Korean see-through bangs. These are really easy and simple to make. So if you wanna know how to make this, then keep on watching. So to make the bangs, first gather all of your hair into a high ponytail. The ponytail should be right on top of your head. If you have short or medium length hair, the step I'm going to show you, you'll need to do it once. But if you have longer hair, just do what I'm doing right here. So take the ponytail and start twisting it. And then take the twist and wrap it around the base of the ponytail like so. If you have longer hair, then you'll need to wrap it around a couple of times. But remember that you'll need to leave a few inches of your hair from the ends, and the ends will be on top of your forehead. Just take the ends and place them on top of your forehead. Don't tuck them inside the bun. Now take some bobby pins or hairpins or claw clips and secure the bun in place. Now it's super important that the bun should be secured. It shouldn't move, or else our bangs would move with it as well. So take your time, take as much bobby pins as you need, but make sure the bun stays in place. Secure the bun from all the sides, from both the sides and from back and the front as well, which you left on your forehead. Bring them right in the middle of your head and then take some bobby pins and secure them in place. Now before securing them, you need to keep in mind that you should be happy with the length of the bangs. If you are not, then you can just adjust it and then secure it using a couple of bobby pins on both the sides. Make sure that you are happy with the length. If the ends of your hair are uneven, they might fall like on top of your nose, or they might be poking into your eyes. You can just take a scissor and trim just a little bit around the edges so they don't like poke you in the eyes or the nose. The length of the bangs should be right where your forehead ends or right on top of your eyebrows. So just trim them just a little bit, not too much. And this is what the bangs should look like. When you are happy, dust off the excess hair. And you are done. Brush the bangs a little bit. You can add a few drops of serum to the bangs if they are not like smooth. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.